Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada nak senang Maubri Riboy District kepada perlong sisim citayo hak sisa jan Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kedan bunjai kirukom hikai hak liang ka tem kaput bat karwai ke siau. Keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasi instruments bat kasi vocal. Kikana akibahan news nam senang kila banwan pentebit hak neg music school bat amdan jinge nagam tagi belarang baru banwan pentebit hak neg music school. Ka MIT Shillong lane ka Maharashtra Institute of Technology Shillong henin gasngi ka arpulai terik uyayong arhajar arpulai kalapan long ya ka jingelang jong kinong ilam ketik institute da ka bakhodru ya ki khun samla ka balong kum shibenta ban plilat plilenti yaki ban shim ya kam su jan sunep bat ban su penwandur ha kurkom ka balaju perenkam da girang bat kithai ha kiransan ye ko peniriam bat kiwe kum kawai nagi kam ban im bat ban kamai khamtam ha kene kejuk ka bamanta ka bakerdu kam kerdu jam. Ya ketika jingi kendu lapan long ha Novotel Hotel ha Guwahati. Haba ajingkran ginong syak hot song pha lapan pau yak jing sokmen ban yo ya kendu bat ki khun samla jong than chete lam ingi ban yo ru ya kalat ban pen i lenti ya ki samla ban sim ya kam su jan su nam bat kiwe ban pen long kam pen long jam. Ha gini kesngi lai don lang ru u Dr. Malhar Pangrikar na MITD Shillong, u Dr. Debayan Dhar na IIT Guwahati, bat u Dr. Udaya Kumar na IIT Guwahati. Lembat kiwi de ki ofsar. Lasdang yang dijingi lang nuduk por ar baje nok phai sngi, bat lap nong ru ia kijingi tai ke balai simbenta lang de nong syak khot ngobha, bat kiti samla ke balwan ban ya simbenta ha kiti kijingi lang. Kejing temu ke bahkamat jong kete kejing lumlang ik samla dak MIT Shillong kalong ban pencelur yak samla ka than chete lamingi ban mi syakmat bat ban pai khamat syakre kam sujan bat ban penwandur ha kirkom su beper.
You see that design is all about solution and identifying all those diversified elements which we have never encountered, which we have never considered while handling or learning that particular aspect. So my learning in these years, though I am not from design per se, but as rightly said by Uday sir, once you are in sync with, or your surroundings are with the designers, you tend to learn about design. The sole reason is design, as rightly mentioned by Dr. Debayan, that it starts with transportation. And transportation does not necessarily mean the four-wheelers or two-wheelers. That's a fundamental basics of transportation. There you start with it and you might end up with interaction design. So what is that interaction? You coin that. You come up. These days with a newer model of education, definitely every institution is coming up with more choices. You select what you want to study. And the design aspect, why? Because in personal belief, that's my absolutely personal belief, that everyone in their own capacity is creative and designer as well. It's the matter how exposure, what sort of exposure you give it to them. So while selecting a domain also, one should definitely explore the the possibilities, how the lifestyles are there, what are the real career opportunities. Career doesn't mean the salaries